What is up, guys, and welcome back with another video. In today's video, I'm gonna be playing Animal Company. Again, because I know all of you OGs are like, where's all the Animal Company videos? Those were so good. Play more Animal Company. I heard Animal Company got its new update, so I'll play it because all of y'all are like, play Animal Company probably. So I'm like, so I'm just playing it. What the? Bolts? Okay, and that is brand new. Those trees and all that stuff behind it. Stump?
People are dying. What was that?
Whoever goes to sewers, I will friend them.
I'm not gonna
Enter code.
The freak am I? When I just need my crowbar, because you need to leave.
How do I? Is this enter?
I'm going to sewers. Whoever wants to come.
Yo, Green, do you want to come to sewers? Big back. Shut up, what's up, big back, finger? Big back.
No? What the fuck is this? They updated the entire place.
How do I click enter?
Oh, my hand's stuck in the couch.
How do I click enter on this darn thing?
I can't move from the couch.
Where'd it go?
How do I click enter?
Enter's right here.
Where? Oh, this?
Hi, guys. What are you guys doing?
Dude.
Oh. Am I in a private? What is going on? Okay. I heard that when you buy something, you know it does bolts around it? Your shotguns cost a lot. Oh my god. If you got something to say, what you gonna do? Tell Miss K, yeah, tell Miss K, tell Miss K, tell Miss K, tell Miss K. And oh, how do I buy? How do I buy some crap? Mercury OS. Just full of tons of trash in a go-kart? In a dead frog arm? Well, that frog was sure killed. Huh? I'm funny? No? I don't know. If you got something to say, what you gonna do? Tell Miss K. If you got something to say, what you gonna do? Tell Miss K. Tell Miss K. Tell Miss K. They're eating the dogs, they're eating the cows. Eat the cow. They're eating the dogs, they're eating the cows. Eat the cows. Okay, remove that. None. If you got something to say, what you gonna do? Do they have any Halloween? I guess they do. That's 700. If you got something to say, what you gonna do? Tell Miss K. Tell Miss K. Tell Miss K. Face accessory. Clothing. If you got something to say, what you gonna do? Oh, you can turn your player. If you got something to say. Yeah. If you got something. Oh, okay. Outfit. Color. Oh wait, I don't want that. Torso. Gyatt? Now you can change your gyatt. Animal. Well, if you got something to say, what you gonna do? Tell Miss K. 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 Oh, wait, does he have a yacht? Oh my god. Oh, he's a If you got some pugs, what you gonna do? Tell Miss K. I want a brown for this pug. All this right here is 6,000. Okay, back the heck off. And then walk up. And it keeps off. Oh, wait, I got it. Something to say? What you gonna do? Tell Miss K. Tell Miss K. If you got something to say, what you gonna do? Tell Miss K. Tell Miss K. If you got, nah, Flappy Bird, nah. Oh my gosh, I'm done. I'm gonna get too addicted to that crap. Oh my god. Holy crap. This video is not about gyatts. Okay. Sorry. Oh my god. Oh yeah, this video is about the new update. Okay? New update. Nothing about that. No. How much does 5,000 even cost? I swear this is exactly like Gorilla Tag. Oh my god. Bro, like, who spends $20 for 5,000? Like, not even Mr. Clean would do that. I mean, I bet he would, but... because, isn't Mr. Clean rich? How does this work? Lobby, friends, notification. Okay, so how does... Dude, this is sick. Why does this feel like the Ninja Turtles? Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Ninja Turtles. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. She's 12? She's 12? She's 12? Question. Zam? Oh my god, what the heck is that? Is that a chicken? Whoever thought. Wait, hold on, I need to see this. The mimic? Holy crap. No, we need a mimic. This thing's the mimic? Hold on, let me get up. No, let me up. If you guys want me to make a video about making an Animal Company player, and like then he's like a mimic, I'll make like 3 forms, like those exact forms. I mean, probably like different forms, because, yeah. But, yeah. Look at all this. Okay. Goal number 1. Get to, okay. Let's, oh my god, that's so loud. Goal number 1 in this video. Give me the 10 sub, guys. We're 2 away. 2. I only had 2 subscribers at the start of this, and now we're just missing 2 subscribers. Come on, guys. 21 days until the end of October. You guys really want to do this to me? Well, I guess I'm going to end off my video here because I can't see crap. Dude! End it. Quit the game. Okay, there we go. Okay, my headset battery's low anyways, too. yeah, guys, I'm just gonna end the video off here. Come on, guys, we're 2 subscribers away. 2. Even I have 2 controllers. 2. If we don't hit that by the end of October, me and Julian, I won't do my live. I will not make a live until we get to 50 subs at the last day of the year. At the end of the year, if we don't get 50 subs at the end of the year, then I'm gonna tell you guys something. I'm not gonna be posting for 1 year. 1 year. I was just playing. I was joking. I'm just not gonna post that often. I'm gonna take a break from YouTube if we don't hit 50 subs. So yeah, guys, these videos, unreleased videos, I mean, except for this one, I don't know. This is supposed to be clip 3. I don't know why, but yeah, of Dragon, the movie. Julian, if you want to be in a movie with me, the movie can be called Julian on the Run. So yeah, tell me if you like that sound of that. Comment, Julian. Comment no or yes. Down in the comments below if you want it to be called Julian on the Run. See you guys next time. Give me the 2 subs. Come on, it's 21 days. 2 subs. Come on, please.